Hello everyone, welcome back to Anvil Electronics. So right now I have three LEDs with me. Two of them are the 3mm LEDs and the middle one is a 5mm standard LED that I purchased from my local market for just rupees 1. The other two, the 3mm LEDs, are made by Broadcom. Those are actually two different wavelengths and they are around 35 to 40 rupees per piece. Let me show you them. So these are the items HLMP K150 and HLMP 1301. This 635 nanometer, and I think the other one is slightly different, 600, 645 nanometers. So the reason why I'm making this video is that to identify the polarity of an LED, usually there is a flat surface, like you can clearly see the flat surface here. So this is a common method of identifying the negative terminal once the lead lengths are cut down as per our requirement, because once it is in the PCB there is no way to easily identify the polarity without having that flat surface. But look at these 3mm LEDs, they are perfectly round. Let me give you a close-up. So you can see that the 3mm LEDs are perfectly round, all rounded, and the 5mm LED clearly has that flat surface. So if you are not a properly trained person, you will easily miss this thing and you will cut down the length, and then it will become difficult for you to identify which one is a positive and negative, except if you are using a multimeter to connect it in the diode mode test. Or you can, if you're an expert technician, you can identify it with the help of the cup size that is inside the LED as well. But that is only possible if the LEDs are transparent or at least translucent. If it is opaque, it will be difficult. And in this case, these 3mm LEDs are made by Broadcom, so they decided to give it a different way of identifying the polarity. So I'm making this video just to let you all know that LEDs can have a different way of identifying the polarity. You cannot just rely on the flat surface or the lead lengths for identifying their polarity. So in this case, if you haven't noticed it yet, you can see that the pins that are connecting to the LEDs are shaped in a different way for both the positive and negative. And I think this is something new for at least some of you, and the experts may already know about this thing. So I made this video just for you guys. If you are one among them, just give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching guys. See you with another video.